Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of West Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Spin It. The song is Spin, the artist is Kevin Ross, and the choreography is TAMMIE, FLEURY, CRUELL, and John Woody Pop Woodhouse. If you are someone you know that is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographers, and also I'll post mine at the end. And let's get it.
Heard you back outside on all that ass up on my mind. Sweet like cocoa, I get it from you. Already that you on my tongue. You and me deep, you know it quick. You over like a sheriff. You got traffic, at attention. I can miss this, I can miss you when you did. You know that, and it's too hard to get focused. Trying to make waves in your ocean. I can miss this, I can miss you. But it's been a while for you. You're a winner, and I'm winner too. But it's been a while for you. But I can't lie, no gasoline and it's still fire. Over me, taking me higher. But the heat keeping me inspired. Bang, 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 can't keep it in a holster. Dark ball stripping like fortress. You queen should be on a poster. Now I had you approach her, but you need a repeat. You know it quick, and you're over like a sheriff. You got traffic, at attention. I can miss this, I can miss you when you did. You know that, and it's too hard to get focused. Trying to make waves in your ocean. I can miss this, I can miss you. But it's been a while for you. You're a winner, and I'm winner too. But it's been a while for you. It's been a while for you. You're a winner, and I'm winner too. Yeah, it's been a while for you.
And there you go, Spin It. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll